Hello and very good afternoon to everybody. I would like to welcome you here on board. Welcome to Rush Virtual University. I'm very happy, very glad to have new lecturers joining our academic training staff here in Rush University. So the purpose of today's video is to show the new lecturers how you could upload the resources and materials for the subject, as well as how you could deliver the lecture. So please, I will advise you, I'm very keen you watch this video 2-3 times and you practice it. And once you feel you are ready to deliver the class, so it's very good. Otherwise, you please contact me over my email or over my phone at any time. So we could set some very personal tutoring on this particular issues. Well, I believe many of you have received their username and password for their profiles over Rush Learning Management System. First, how you access your profile, you go to our website www.rushuniversity, which is rusheduni.com. Okay, sometimes it takes time. Well, here you will press over the red button, you log in. Okay. Once it's ready, you enter your username, your password. So you could choose whatever language you want to use your platform. So I'm signing in. After you get in, you will not see exactly what I'm seeing here because my profile is an admin profile. Anyways, you will see some subjects you are enrolled in. You are enrolled as a teacher there. So you go to your subject, say it's business or introduction to economics. You click here, so you play the model. Okay. Here you see 4 items in this bar. You have the student area, collaborative area, teacher area, and static area. As well as you will see kind of panel or board where you could post your announcements, where students will receive these announcements. Well, let me start by sending whatever announcement students like a test. Send an announcement. Say like happy Eid. So you say something. Hi everyone. I hope this holy month was fruitful and full of spiritual life, spiritual thoughts. May Allah accept your deeds and reward you. Okay, I wish you and your families a very good Eid. Kinan verify. Okay, so then if exactly as if you're sending an email, you choose the font size. You could choose different colors, different fonts. You could attach attachments. You could do anything you want just as an email. So then you insert the announcement. Okay, the announcement now has been posted here, but if you want people to read it or people to be notified over their emails, so you need just to select all pages. So you are selecting almost everyone inside this course, or you just choose group, doesn't matter, better you select all. So once you save it changes, now every student will receive an email about this announcement that has been posted. So the student can see it either through logging inside the profile or through checking his or her email. Second, here you have announcement. I said you have my resources. This is the area that students can see. My resources means the material, the examinations, slides, videos, etc. Calendar, something very personalized. you students, anybody else, you could put your objectives, your calendar, your events, etc. So it's to be ready. So that's something very personal, very private, secure. Nobody could share it with you, or you will not share it with anybody else. Here we have what we call the presence menu. This is student area, so you don't need to put much efforts in here. More important, here we have the cooperative area and you have the teacher area and the static area. Let me start by the teacher area. So you work on it by this week. So you choose training resource management. Well, the better you organize your material, your resources, the better students will understand you, the better participation and the best performance that would be. So you could set here folders or files. So better you set your folders, like you choose folder for exam, folder for slides, folder say for quizzes, etc. Then you could make some subtitle files after you click here over the folder you want to upload files under it. So you choose new resources. The new resource, it could be either a slide, frequent asked questions, it could be HTML page, could you upload a file, downloadable file, you could put a survey, you could create a test, and you upload a video. Most importantly, you know how to convert your slides, because as I have mentioned to you earlier, we track students' performance by the minute, the time students spend reading a slide or going through something. And again and again, I think many of you they know that this what you call it, these resources we are downloading with copyrights from person, the publisher, or any other publisher that you download from. So you don't want students to print out these slides, otherwise we will be sued. So you browse your files here. I'm uploading a file. Okay. This file must be either a PDF or a PowerPoint. Let me choose something I could add here. Okay. So the conversion press is under process now. Very good. You see, now it's being uploaded. After you upload it, better you choose another name. For say cover page, for example. It's a test here. See, it's very shiny, very nice. Now, once student goes through slides or read anything here, this particular software counts every single minute the teacher will spend. And the teacher, I mean the students or the teacher as well. So it's better to make the report to know how serious the students was, etc. Sure, this is just one slide file, that's why I could not shift between slides here. Now, as again for the training resource management, say you want to set an exam, so you choose here test. I would be more than happy if you teachers you put some efforts and you exercise on it. So lastly, you do it yourself, because we use lots of softwares for creating examinations, and seriously nothing is effective as well as comprehensive as Docebo in setting exams. Say you want to say test exam, you write some description if you want. This is a trial. Then you create the test. Sometimes it takes time to create the questions. Okay, here is the test exam, slides, So first step you do when you create an exam is to hide the examination from students, so students will not be able to see the questions before the time or the examination timing. So you hide it. Now it's hidden. Yes, again the exam has been hidden. So the time now to add questions, so you need to edit your exam. Well, before you add any question, you need to go to this setting. So go to test options. Okay, this is something you go through. You choose one question per page or questions in one page. I advise you all the time, you set all questions randomly. You put one question in one page. Answers also are to be random. You could allow students to edit their answers or not, to backtrack to other questions, answer question or not. So it depends on the level of easiness or difficulty you want to choose. For me, I prefer to set it sometime a hard exam. Okay, at the end of the exam you want students to see their scores, or they will not see it. They need to see the correct answer or not, so it depends on you. By the way, this is the work of Mrs. Soha, so she will email you later what kind of work is requested regarding the examinations. Time administration. Our experience in the online training told us best we do is to set it as, like test-based timing. So every student will have, like you put it by seconds. So same time for each question. This is the best you do. 1 minute mostly, 50 seconds. Some people say it. Okay. Save changes. Now it's the time for us to make administration points. Administration points, like how much students will score. For us, we prefer to put it as percentage. Okay, you put minimum score to pass, say 5, 50, whatever. Maximum say 100, etc. Same point for each question. So every question should have either the same points, same weight, or you put it differently from question to question. It's up to you. Now you have the questions. Okay, so could add single question or multiple choice. Single choice means only one choice is correct. Multiple choice means more than one answer could be correct. Or extended text if it's a paragraph, or it's just text entry if it's 1-2 words answer. Inline choice, this is good for English teachers, so people will choose the right word or the wrong word. Hot text, we said the wrong word, sorry. So the inline choice, people needs to find the main idea in the text. Anyways, best to work on is single choice, multiple choice, text entry. And here you could do something very nice. We call it the upload file. If you want students to record some video and upload it. If you want students to like write some tests, write some essay and upload it. So students will have space to upload the file that they have written. That's all. This is for sitting an exam, and be ready and always keep reminded that you need to hide the exam before the test starts. We told you before that scoring in Rush based on the final exam. Surely after you finish the examination you could go here, learning object status. You choose the final examination and you see the marks of every student, as well as it helps you sometimes. Say you uploaded this lecture, like revision of midterm questions, and you want to see how much time has been spent by students reviewing this exam. You click on the here speculator, so you see that no students read this specific file yet. That's normal because we are seeing something like trial. You see, this is showing you Abdul Bilal completed this course. So if you click over the name of the students, you will see exactly how much time he spent. If he really reads it, especially when it goes to, here, static area, you choose user objective grid. So you choose one student, say his, okay, it's about, say Mr. Abdul Hamid Ahmed. So this shows you, like the video, the item, the authoring, everything, every slide, how much time students spent reviewing or reading. Sure, this is for the trial. There is no time here to see. It's good, so it shows you the overall times a student spent reviewing a class or reading or preparing or etc. Well, something called gradebook as well. So this gradebook, there's a test and you want to take a full report on this test, so you just choose the test title, say test, then you choose which one, say test exam, save it changes. If students took this exam, you will see like the maximum score, the minimum score, how much every student's gained, etc. And nicely, if you want to make curve up, you could just click here, you edit student's mark, okay, how many pass, how many did not pass, the average mark, standard deviation. And standard deviation means like the wider the better. It means like there is variety in students' answers. Finally, I think here we could talk two things left. We have here the newsletter. Newsletter means instead of you go through your email, you see the list of students, then you email them. You write your email here, say this is kinan@freshgenie.com, etc. You write a subject, you write whatever email you want, you upload, you hyper tag some page, etc. After you finish, you send here. So you choose to whom this email will go. So every student will receive an email like if you send from your own personal email. So this is very excellent idea. I will not send this email because it's trying session. Two things nice. You could use the forum or wiki. For us, at least for me myself, I always refer to this wiki. So whatever difficult vocabularies, I explain here English by English, English Arabic. So students will just go through this very simple, very easily used dictionary that you set for them. So that's all for starting and teaching. The rest, something you are not requested to utilize for this semester. Now let's go how you start a meeting, and this is very important. The mean we use to deliver the classes is called GoToMeeting. It's one of the best video conference rooms programs that could be used. GoToMeeting is very easily used. We set the username as the name of the diploma. For example, English@freshgenie.com, business@freshgenie.com, IT@freshgenie.com. What else? Politics@freshgenie.com, and the password is that name. Say English 321. As simple as this. You log in now. For information, that platform that we were talking about, it's called Docebo. It was being it was awarded as the second best learning management system for distance learning. Here you don't need to create any meeting, to host any meeting. You will see the meeting ready for start. So English diploma, politics diploma, business diploma, IT diploma, you just click here start. We ourselves will send students this meeting ID numbers, so you don't need all the time to take the time to send to them. You click here start. It's something automatically downloadable. Me myself, I download it, but you need to download for the first time. Then the software will be launched automatically. within 3 minutes downloading process. I think now it has started. Okay, so here is the control panel. So you have here the camera. If you open your camera, and please, you are requested to open your camera. I can't open it here because I'm using the same camera to record this session. Here is your microphone, so you could just mute your mic, open your mic, it depends. Here, if you click over this screen, students can see your screen. Okay. Here you have a pen. Here you have a pen. You could draw, you could write, you could say something. Here you have the spotlight, like a laser pen. You could just refer we're talking about. Okay, here we are. Sometimes you could not talk, people could not hear you. So best you do, you go to the audio. You choose not the telephone, you choose microphone and speakers. Then you could sound check to check the quality of the sound. Okay, this is nice. Okay, you see like the test. Hello, hello, hello. So it's lightning here flashing. Now also you have the instant message, kind of Skype but chatting. So you could chat with all if you write to all, or you could just choose the name of the students you want to talk to. So this message will be very private. That's all for today. I will send you another email about how you record this session. So I wish you enjoyed this video. You watch it 2-3 times. You be ready. You start upload your materials from now, and please never mind to contact me. Okay, just take something in consideration. I will be out of the station traveling between August 10th till August 20th. So this 10 days, best you refer to our office. You email Suha at rushdin.com. You email Ubaida at rushdin.com. That's all for today, and have a nice day. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.